Hello YouTube, it's Darkwood here. I'm just making this video real quick because Mr. All Brair'd Up sent me a package, so I figured I would see what goodies he sent me. So let's find out, shall we? So we have Irish coffee, which is one of my favorite blends. So this is cool. Oh, hey, come here. Come here. Want to be in the video too? Huh? Hey, Poochie. Hi. Brownie with walnut. That could be pretty good. Cool. And brownie fudge. This is gonna be cool to try. So I just figured I would do this video, give a shout out to All Brair'd Up. Thank you, good sir, for sending me this stuff. Really appreciate it. You're an awesome dude. Known you forever. So that's it for me. That's just a quick video. You guys have a wonderful day.